you're not selling your time, you're selling, I need help and answers. So in a sense, Miri says like a monthly retainer. It's like it's kind of like it, but it's positioned as unlimited mentorship for as a subscription. Hey friends, welcome to Creative X. My name is Brad Hussey and I'm a web designer. Today, we're going to be sharing a clip from one of our weekly office hours sessions within our Creative X crew, which is our free community filled with professional web designers, freelancers, agency founders, no-code makers, and people who build amazing things for the internet. During these sessions, I answer questions, provide design feedback, talk positioning, branding, pricing, you name it. The crew is growing every single day, and we have a ton of fun. And there is a special place with your name on it. So I want to invite you to join us in the Creative X crew, be a part of our family, and join us in these weekly office hours. It's free, and the link is in the description down below. I'd love to see you on the inside. Now let's get into today's clip. Going back to selling your thinking as a subscription. So yes, it needs to be positioned for anyone to care. Because if you're just like, hey, you can book a call with me anytime about anything, who cares? Or maybe weirdos care and you have a bunch of weird phone calls all the time. And if that's your service, then okay, then sure. But if you're like, I'm an expert in this field, here are my accolades, here's my experience, here's the people I've worked with, here's what I've done, here's what I've accomplished, blah, 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 so that the person goes, oh, you know what you're talking about in the field of, let's say, online courses. Let's say you're an online course creator and you've made $10 million over the last certain amount of time selling courses. Okay, you know a couple things about this. And if that person goes, I'm done selling courses other than what's already going on, but I'm very happy to pass on my expertise that I've learned over 5, 10, 15 years or whatever. What you can do is instead of spending $10,000 on some sort of like high-end consulting package, like I know Jonathan Stark, like you can pay $25,000 for like a short few month session or something like that. It's like a high-end thing. And I don't doubt for the right person, you get what you like, you get that value out of it. But what if you're like, well, I don't want to do that. That seems a lot of weight, but I'm very happy to be almost like a mentor on tap to these people in this field asking these questions. And let's say we use Brett's idea of 10 clients at $1,000 a month. Let's say you launch the service and you go, I need 10 clients. I'm looking for 10 clients. Here it is. It's like mentor, software mentor as a subscription, unlimited calls and texts or whatever, or maybe it's just calls if you really want to just constrain it, selling your thinking and your expertise. And it's $1,000 a month and you can cancel anytime, but you're required to do the first month or something. And then it could be like, is it actually unlimited? And you go, well, yeah, it is. You have to book them on my calendar. And I might not be available. Like I'm not working weekends and I don't work Fridays and I have 10 clients and some of them might book 3 calls. Some of them might book 1. Some of them might just text me and go, big business decision. I'm pricing this out and I just need a quick answer from you here. What do you think? Great, that counts. So like maybe some people book a lot, maybe some people don't. But cumulatively, you have 10 clients, just answering questions, providing some expertise. Maybe you answer enough questions where you have a package of answers and documents and articles and even videos and a library where you go, that's a great question. I'm actually going to defer you to this. I created like a full article on that. Check out this part. And short answer to this question, don't take that client on, but read this from more context. Thanks. I hope you have a good day. Like it could be as simple as that. You're not selling your time. You're selling, I need help and answers. So in a sense, Miri says like a monthly retainer. It's like it's kind of like it, but it's positioned as unlimited mentorship for as a subscription. So if I can see this, let's just say, just as an example, doing YouTube, I have lots and lots of questions about lots of aspects of it because there's so much that happens. And it was like an unlimited YouTube mentor or an unlimited YouTube coach on tap as a subscription. And it was like $1,000 a month. And like, I was in that spot where I go, I have a lot of questions that I would love to ask that person with that caliber who would definitely know the answers to my questions. And I'm busy. I don't want to spend an hour every week talking to you. That's a big waste of my time. But if I can have access to your brain anytime, that's valuable. So that's a good idea, Michael. Like in that tech space, in that development space, in that software engineering space, app development, like all this sort of stuff, it's that you could sell your brain on it. And that's very, very Jonathan Starkian thinking. It's like, that's what he would do. If you ask Jonathan Stark, how would you sell an unlimited subscription service? That's like, you could do that. And you're not selling your hands, you're selling your thinking, and that's very, very scalable. Yeah, and that automatically gets rid of clients that aren't a good fit for you because they'll be like, no, I need you to do it for me. And he'll be like, that's nice. You can find somebody else for that. Whereas someone who goes, okay, I can find a good WordPress developer. There's a lot of them, but I need to know how to do this right, skip all the landmines and the roadblocks, and you advise me. Dante, you become the trusted advisor. Yeah, you advise me on my steps from the outside here because I'm in the weeds, and you can step outside and go like, no, like watch out for this, try it this way, and give me a call anytime in the middle of this launch that you're doing. Happy to just do that. Just give me a call anytime between Monday and Friday. I'll answer if I can. And then you're like, oh, this is so great. Like I would pay that subscription service to have access to that rather than going through a sales process, getting a contract, getting a coaching, client or a coach. You're just like, no, I'm busy. Like I don't have time for any of that. I hope you enjoyed that clip. If you have any comments or questions, post them down below. And also don't forget to join the Creative X crew. The link's down in the description. And while you're here, why not check out this video? And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.